Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I know it's kind of a simple task, but I'm going to replace these wiper blades on this 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. Now, they're all pretty much the same, so there are always a few exceptions to the rules, but for the most part, they're all put in there the same way, and if you can learn anything out of this, great. That's awesome. I'm glad I'm here to help you, okay? So thanks for tuning in, and let's get started. All right, the first step is lift the windshield wiper blade off of the window, and you look for a tab. Well, there's going to be a tab right here. You lift up, slide it down, and slide it out. Now, I like to put it back down with nothing on it just for a second, because the last thing you want that thing to do is slap down on your windshield and crack it. So between the two, I'm going to do that. Now, it's just the same thing. You just kind of, it goes in there, and this is the little tab I lifted up earlier, and it's gonna slide right on there. You're gonna wait for it to click. See, it just clicked. I always go back and forth with it just so you can kind of see, make sure it's locked in there, okay? And again, you gently lower it down. Don't let it slap, because believe it or not, you think, oh, what harm can it do? Well, the reality is it happens a lot. Sometimes someone will just let that thing slap down and then you crack your windshield. So I just wanted to show you a quick close-up of this and what tab I'm talking about. See, if you look on the back, when you lift that up, there's going to be this little tab right here. If you see me, let me get a shot of that. If you see me moving it, that's the one I was lifting on. Because if you notice, right there in the middle, there's a little thing that catches this little hole that's on the wiper blade arm. So basically I lifted that up and then slide it out. You may have to wiggle it or whatever, but usually it'll come. If it doesn't come out right away, try pushing it toward it like you're gonna put it on, and then pull it down, and then try taking it out. All right, so on the other side, you just pretty much lift it up. You can't lift it up all the way, because there's otherwise you'd be crawling on top of the truck. So lift up on it, slide it down, slide it out, grab the new one. It only goes on one way. Put it through there, line it up, pull. There we go. Hear that click into place? You want to make sure you pull it back and forth, make sure it's in there good. So that's pretty much it. There's not really much to it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you next time. Later.